Hi, hello, namaste.
We are yet back with a fresh new episode of Tejas, a podcast series and an initiative by NSBT. So today we are in Jalna, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce an entrepreneur who has a lion's share in not only bringing Jalna but also Marathwada on the national map. Let's welcome the MD and CEO of Vinod Rai Industries Private Limited, Mr. Sunil Rai Thappa, sir.
Thank you, Vijay.
Hello, sir, and a warm welcome to you
Thank
to
you.
our podcast series, and thank you for giving us this time
Yeah.
to share our thoughts with each other and our viewers as well.
I've seen a few of your series actually. I not only liked it, but and thank you. I'm part of that.
It's our pleasure, I must say. It's our pleasure to have you here. and I would also like to tell that before starting the shoot, with sir, we also saw both of your units, and I mean they are out of this world, sir. This is something that we hadn't seen at all, and it's hard to believe that such great facilities, such state of the art facilities, exist just in the vicinity. So thank you so much for sharing.
So let's start.
Yeah.
सर, पहला सवाल तो मुझे आपसे ये करना है कि आपकी जन्मभूमि और कर्मभूमि जालना रही है। सो आपका सफर विनोद राय तक कैसा रहा?
Actually, as you said, I'm born and brought up in Jalna. I'm basically Gujarati.
Oh,
I have studied in a modest school in Jalna, that is Gujarati school. Unfortunately, whatever you call it, up to fifth, I studied in Gujarati language basically. After fifth, I switched over to, there was no Gujarati medium, so I switched over to Hindi medium. Then Marathi became a second language.
Right.
Then came English. Then I took science, so everything was in English. So today I can speak Gujarati, I can speak Hindi, I can speak Marathi, I can speak English, but I'm not thorough at any of the language. न धड माझी मराठी बरोबर आहे, न धड हिंदी बरोबर आहे, न धड इंग्लिश बरोबर आहे. आणि जेव्हा मी इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलतो ना, तर गुजराती लोकांना कळतं का हा गुजराती माणूस बोलतो.
सर, पण तुमची मराठी ऐकून असं बिलकुल वाटणार नाही की तुम्ही गुजराती आहात. जॅक ऑफ ऑल सर.
And you will really surprised that up to 8th standard मी कधी पासच झालो नाही, फुल पास झालो नाही.
वाव.
In that period, there was a system of promoted. If you have some less mark in one or two subject, then principal has the authority to promote you to next class with a remark. Promoted. त्याला मराठीत ढक्कल पास म्हणत. तर ढक्कल पास होत होत मी 8वीत आलो. पण there was something different written in my destiny. In 8th class, a young teacher, young science teacher, late Shri Vidyasagar sir, he joined the school, and उसने मेरे को सही में त्यांनी घेरलं मला. आणि लास्ट बेंच मधून मला फर्स्ट बेंचवर बसायला सांगितलं त्यांनी. अँड ही रिअली क्रिएटेड बेसिक इंटरेस्ट इन मॅथमॅटिक्स अँड सायन्स.
ओके.
अँड ही ब्रॉट अ कॉन्फिडन्स कि सुनील, यू कैन डू इट and you can become a good engineer. मुझे इंजीनियर क्या होता है ज्यादा मालूम नहीं था.
ओके.
मेरे पिताजी भी हरदम बोलते रहते थे ये मेरा लड़का इंजीनियर बनेगा. बट आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग कि भाई इंजीनियर क्या करता है. But then I had in a mind कि सभी लोग बोल रहे हैं इंजीनियर तो एंड जो लड़का कभी भी 8वीं तक फुल पास नहीं हुआ, रियली थैंक्स टू विद्यासागर सर, मैट्रिक में आई केम फर्स्ट इन द स्कूल.
Wow, that's great.
And then that really turned my direction of life, thinking, achieving something. And then I tried for engineering. I got admission in Government Engineering College,
अच्छा.
Aurangabad. Almost it was my first time that I was going out of Jalna. Actually, I had spent my life in Jalna. औरंगाबाद कभी बीबी का मकबरा देखने को गए तो गए, अदरवाइज जालना के बाहर जाने का
Correct.
काम नहीं पड़ा था. But then I went to Aurangabad Engineering College. I took mechanical because I had a inclination toward the mechanical engineering. I got Vidyasagar sir. In engineering college, there were many teachers who inspired me. But today I remember Professor Ganesh Rao actually. He started, if I believe it was the first entrepreneurship development program in any college in Marathwada.
Wow.
I had never heard the word entrepreneurship.
Okay.
At that time, it was even difficult to write the spelling of.
Yeah, we still find it difficult.
To say also.
That's right.
And वो भी ऐसा हुआ कि भाई इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के प्रोग्राम रह गए रात को 8 से 9 बजे तक. कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद में हॉस्टल पे जाना, खाना वाना खाना, फ्रेश होके 8 बजे आना. And he used to call eminent industrialists for the guidance, bankers. He himself was a great motivator. So basically मुझे मेरा खुद का कुछ करना है. That seed was really sown in engineering college,
Right.
and credit only goes to Ganesh. Great. And that was a period when Aurangabad, there were only 5 engineering colleges in Maharashtra. And college placement, there was nothing like a college placement at that time.
Right.
But then, because Ganesh Rao came from Pune, he had good contacts in industry. So he invited Telco, Larsen Toubro, Thermex. Name of the Thermex was Venson at that time. So they came for the first time in Marathwada to take the placement interview,
yes.
campus interview, and I was selected for
Amazing.
Larsen Toubro, L&T, and
And you worked 4 years there, right?
I worked there as a trainee engineer
Acha.
for 4 years. Wow! And I'm proud LNTN. That was my first and last job. Today, whatever you have seen here, whatever engineering I'm using, lot is contributed by the learnings during the 4 years in
Identity.
LNT.
Wow. Amazing story. And sir, I mean, it's exemplary how small things make big impact. जैसे कि आपने बताया that you used to sit on the back bench and then your teacher, Mr. Vidyasagar, pulled you and then things started changing.
Yeah.
So that's really amazing. We also wanted to know, sir, आपने you started with L&T. So essentially उसके बाद भी आपने इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के रिलेटेड काफी काम किया. You spent around 22 years into electrical engineering field is what we found out through the research that we did.
Yeah.
and then you made a shift towards Vinod Rai, or I should say Rota Molding. So how this transition happened? Because both of these things are that way quite different.
When I was selected in L&T, so first of all, I thought I am a mechanical engineer. What I will do in
Absolutely.
electrical engineering. So initially I was a bit reluctant, actually. But then when I I joined as a training engineer. There may be electrical products, but their manufacturing of the electrical product is 100% mechanical.
Mechanical, correct.
You make a switch gear, you have a press component, you have a backlight component, you have a plastic molding component, you have assembly, you have riveting. Everything is manufacturing is mechanical.
Right.
Product is electrical.
Right.
So I was fortunate that I was learning mechanical, and I was also learning electrical product design basically.
Right.
Because product was electrical.
Correct.
So fortunately, combination of electrical and mechanical was really useful in my life. And today, you cannot find mechanical engineering in isolation actually.
Right. That's true. That's
Now
very
mechanical engineering is getting integrated with electronics, software, everything.
true.
So it is mechanical is a base of all these things, and a mechanical engineer must know everything about electrical, electronics, software, and everything.
True, true. And that's what we could also see, sir, because the machines that we just saw, there are mammoth machines. The new shade that you just took us, so it has that big machine, big molds attached on the same, and वहाँ पे electrical भी है, electronics भी है, UI interface designing is also a great part which you told about that Divya contributed towards it. So these multidisciplinary fields coming together, was that a challenge? Because आपके पास, I mean, वो skill set यहाँ develop करना, it must have been also quite tricky.
Yeah, that was really a challenge at that time. Actually, it was a challenge at that time. But I firmly believe that your development, product development, should be driven by customer, not by our whims and wishes.
Right.
I remember actually a customer from Kuwait. He came, he saw my machine, he liked my machine, he liked the pricing, he liked the person also. Everything he liked it actually. But then he told, everything is fine, but don't you make a PLC machine? So I said, no. In Kuwait, actually, we use PLC machine.
Okay.
It has to be programmable. So I was little bit knowing about the PLC technology because I was with Larsen Toubro and everything. So I told him, okay, no problem. I can give you PLC also,
Okay.
if you want it. But it will be bit costlier. Then he told me, how much costly? So I just gave him random figure, $2,000 more.
Okay.
And he said, well, okay, no problem. Give it. So I gave pro forma of PLC control machine.
Okay.
And I got the order. Actually.
Okay.
I was not knowing from where to get this wow technology. But then the moment I gave the pro forma, I contacted all my friends in Aurangabad. Somebody pointed me to Abhay Deshmukh. He will give you everything about Siemens. Then within 3 months, we sent our first PLC machine to Kuwait.
Oh.
So when customer drives you, never say no. That should be the policy.
Wow, wonderful.
One more example I will give you. The France customer, when he came, after seeing complete machine, actually, everything was okay, but we were not having touch screen
Okay.
interface. So he said, so we have machines from Germany, from UK, everything is there. Nowadays everything is touch screen.
Right.
So why you are using buttons and everything? So I don't want it. Again I told him, yes, we can give touch screen, no problem. Then we got the order. Then we found out good supplier and it integrated touch screen with it. See, in the whole world, you go to US, you go to Europe, everywhere automation, development, software is done by Indian engineers.
Nice.
And there is a huge talent pool in India.
Right.
So we must utilize them
Right.
to upgrade our machine.
Absolutely.
I will only one sentence I will tell you. Never say no for upgradation to customer.
Wow.
It's a customer driven R&D.
Right.
He's paying for your development.
True.
वो आप पे पैसे लगा रहा है, उसको पता है कि आप ये टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं बनाते हो,
जी जी
और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस देख के वो पैसे लगा रहा है,
करेक्ट
फिर आपको क्यों पीछे हटना है?
जी
एंड दैट इज हाउ थिंग्स
Work actually.
work can get developed.
You
Wonderful
get a product done from that.
product done from that. And when your customer is demanding customer, man, you really excel.
It's a good problem to have.
Exactly.
Your customer should be demanding customer.
Right.
Right.
So when you are in a export market, when you are catering to different types of customers, then your R&D becomes world class.
True. True.
Because they demand world class.
Absolutely.
They demand
World class.
world class. And then you will know, okay, in world market, if you have to survive and you have to excel, you have to give world class.
Right. So basically, he doesn't believe in challenges. It is like if the customer comes to him, gives his wish, he has done.
Yeah. It's no more a challenge.
Resolving it is.
Or I should say challenge accepted. That's great, sir. And
But one more example I will give you. One Saudi customer, he came, he gave order for one particular machine, 4 machines of the same type.
okay.
Order was, at that time, it was a huge order of 1.2 crore.
Wow.
The first machine we made and kept ready. He called that, Sunil, I want to change the specification of the rest of the 3 machines.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I was shocked because I have procured most
Correct.
of the material. But then I told him, okay, at least come and see this machine. So he came, he saw the machine, he says everything is fine, everything is as per my specification. But I had been to Italian.
Okay.
And Italy, the new machine coming is having this feature.
Okay.
I want this.
Okay.
I was knowing that I am going to make a good loss if I say yes to him. And he had given me letter of credit.
Okay.
तो मैं डिसाइड करता था तो वही मशीन लेना पड़ता था.
जी बिल्कुल.
हाँ? but he is coming all the way from Italy to me and giving me input कि ये आने वाली चीजें बनाओ करके. We took a challenge. All 3 machines we delivered as per the
Amazing.
Very specific.
न्यू डिजाइन. और उसके बाद में हमने ओल्ड डिजाइन बनाना बंद कर दिए
Wow.
बिकॉज द न्यू डिजाइन वाज
But
efficient and better.
Fantastic.
Huh?
Fantastic.
So you should be always ready to.
That's true. Wow, what an amazing story. And इसको ही सर आगे लेके जाके मैं actually पूछना चाहता था because all these stories you mentioned are related to export. And again, as far as we know, Vinodra is exporting to almost 67 plus countries.
Yeah.
So that's an amazing thing, especially being in Jalna, being in Marathwada. How did you manage that? What is the story behind it?
When we started, so we never had a export in mind at all. हमारा थिंकिंग जो है जालना से औरंगाबाद, पुणे, मुंबई,
जी.
हैदराबाद, बस उसके बाहर कभी हमारा थिंकिंग कभी गया ही नहीं था. वी नेवर थॉट कि भाई वी विल गो बियॉन्ड दिस करके. बट 1998-99 there was a great recession in industry, and all my existing customer were telling me कि अभी अगले 1-2 साल तो मशीन लगा के कोई there is no use actually. जो है सो मशीन यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रही है. So I was knowing that there is no market such. And one day I saw a ad in Times of India. The ad was for Blast India exhibition at Delhi. हाँ? और एक छोटा सा सेंटेंस नीचे लिखे वाला था, इंस्टॉलमेंट पेमेंट इज अवेलेबल फॉर स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री.
Okay.
So that one sentence, I took immediate decision. Okay, let us participate in the exhibition. I called them, and if I remember, 48,000 was the price of a smallest stall. That I had to pay only 10,000 rupees. तो उस दिन 10,000 का डीडी बेच के मैंने स्टॉल बुक कर लिया.
अच्छा.
हाँ, फिर बाद में 10 भर के पूरा बुक कर लिया. पहली बार जालना के बाहर निकल के कोई नेशनल एग्जीबिशन में we put up a stall. We could not display the machine because it was a very small stall. So we had some few posters. और वहाँ जाके हमने हमारी दुकान मान दी. And really that decision of participating in exhibition changed the destiny of Vinod Rai. Wow. पहले 2-3 दिन तो बहुत कम कस्टमर स्टॉल पे आए. We could see the other stalls well decorated, well presentation, good catalogs. हमारे पास उसमें का कुछ भी नहीं था. But we were learning कि अब कैटलॉग अच्छा बनाना पड़ेगा, अगली बार ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, अगली बार ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. लास्ट डे वन सरदार जी came, he saw the poster and ये मशीन आप बनाते हो क्या?
अच्छा.
बोला हाँ बनाते. बोली ये टैंक बनाती है क्या? बोला हाँ टैंक बनाती है. बैठा एक्चुअली उसने पूरा इकोनॉमिक्स समझ के लिया मेरे से. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस मशीन. उसने मेरे सामने कार्ड रखा. आई एम फ्रॉम फिजी.
ओके.
कैन यू कोट मी डॉलर्स?
ओके.
डॉलर में जिंदगी में कभी
देखा नहीं.
कोट किया वाला नहीं था. बट इंजीनियरिंग माइंड था और उस समय एक्चुअली टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के फर्स्ट पेज पे है ना गोल्ड, सिल्वर और डॉलर की वैल्यू आती थी।
हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
जी जी जी।
तो मैंने तुरंत हमारी जो डोमेस्टिक प्राइस थी, हाँ, डिवाइडेड बाय डॉलर की प्राइस करके
अच्छा।
जो प्राइस आई ना उसको बता दिया मैं, दिस इज द प्राइस। देन ही आस्क्ड मी कि एफओबी के सीआईएफ। अभी मैं बोला यार, अभी मैं उसको बोला देखो सरदार जी, आप बोलेंगे तो हम एफओबी कर देंगे और आप बोलेंगे तो सीआईएफ कर देंगे। हाँ, सरदार जी को समझ गया कि बंदा ईमानदार है, ट्रस्टवर्दी है। एंड दैट इज व्हाट matters in the international business. Okay, you should able to generate trust.
Very
And that is how we got our first
order.
export order.
export order. And then there is a long journey behind how we executed our first order. There were a lot of challenges we learned how to export. But then we realized ये वर्ल्ड जो है ये जालना औरंगाबाद नहीं, हैदराबाद नहीं है। वर्ल्ड इज टू बिग ए वर्ल्ड, देयर इज अ वेरी बिग मार्केट एंड एग्जीबिशन इज द की टू एक्सपोजर टू दिस मार्केट। हम
Absolutely.
कितनी भी अच्छी चीज बनाएंगे, बट इफ यू डोंट शो इट टू द कस्टमर,
तो वो सामने नहीं आए।
वो जानना थोड़ी आएगा, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा।
करेक्ट।
हाँ, and that is how we started our first export from Fiji. There was no look back. Today we have participated in more than 30-40 international exhibitions. Right from Delhi, Africa, Russia, USA. Even we had displayed our machine in China also. That's China Plus also. We had taken our
That's fantastic.
machine.
अंकल जी, आपने अभी जैसे बोला कि you had so many orders which were coming in, but it started from that one exhibition which you did in there. कस्टमर और जनता के लिए हमको ही जाना पड़ेगा. So this means that we need to see the globe as a customer rather than looking and setting our boundary only to our nation. मतलब इंडिया के बाहर जो दुनिया है वो भी देख के फिर आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. आपने तो ये किया, डेफिनेटली यू ऑथराइज एक्सपोर्टिंग टू 70+ कंट्रीज नाउ,
67 plus one.
बट ये करते वक्त आपको बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए होंगे.
And
So how did you resolve those challenges? Come out with the solution to be.
just to add to her, especially the challenge regarding the first export order.
Yeah.
Because I know sir, पहला challenge special होता है.
पहला चैलेंज स्पेशल होता है।
बिल्कुल.
पहला एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर जो है, मैं जैसे बताया एग्जीबिशन में, व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम द एग्जीबिशन, I had only one simple blue color card
Okay.
of customer
Okay.
with a email ID written on that. And he had told me, a pro forma invoice भेज देना।
जी.
I was really not knowing the pro forma invoice
होता गया है.
होता क्या है। There were no email facility available in Janla. Email service, internet service was only available at Aurangabad.
अच्छा.
So नूतन कॉलोनी में टेलीफोन ऑफिस में जाके 3,000 रुपए भर के
अरे बाप रे.
पहला 100 आवर्स का पैकेज लिया, एंड द फर्स्ट ईमेल आईडी आई गॉट वाव देयर। जालना से एसटीडी से डायल अप करना पड़ता था,
My God.
अच्छा.
और पहला प्रोफार्मा इनवॉइस ईमेल के थ्रू गया, और प्रोफार्मा इनवॉइस जाने के बाद में we just waited and in 20-25 दिन के बाद में there was a call from Standard Chartered Bank Mumbai
अच्छा.
that there is a LC for $35,000
Okay.
for you. So he sent the LC by courier, and I took that to my banker, and we started making machine.
Wow.
And our banker told, no problem, you will get finance against this letter of credit. The machine got completed, but we did not get the LC discounted.
अच्छा.
Finance against the LC. And one fine day, bank manager told that there is a letter from regional office that we cannot finance this LC.
Oh my God.
So I was shocked actually. Everything was ready to dispatch. Again, कृष्णा धावरे करके जब कभी भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हुआ ना, कॉल योर फ्रेंड सर्कल्स.
Right. True.
आई कॉल राम भोगले कि यार ऐसा हो गया करके. बोले सुनील एक काम करे, एलसी की कॉपी ले, गो टू देवगिरी बैंक.
Okay.
Mr. Kautekar is there. Explain him all the situation. He will help you out.
Okay.
Okay.
I went to Devgiri Bank. I showed him the letter of credit. He told me, ये ओरिजिनल है क्या? बस आप कैसे पहचानेंगे? हाँ? तो बोलिए ओरिजिनल नहीं रही तो वो नहीं चलेगा. बोला आप कैसे पहचानेंगे? कोई बात नहीं बोले. उसने असिस्टेंट मैनेजर को बुलवाया कि ग्रीनलेस बैंक में कॉल करो. तो 5 मिनट में उनका फोन आ गया कि ग्रीनलेस बैंक हैज
Confirm.
कंफर्म ओरिजिनल है. मेरे को बोला कितना पैसा चाहिए? मैं बोला मुझे अभी इमीडिएटली तो 10 लाख रुपए चाहिए. ठीक है बेटा, शाम को जाओ देवगिरी बैंक में अकाउंट खोलो.
अच्छा.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट डे आई विल क्रेडिट यू मनी. बाकी फॉर्मेलिटी बाद में कंप्लीट.
Okay. Wow.
That is how our first machine went.
Wow.
Packing of the machine, we had a contractor for packing from Mumbai. Yeah? क्योंकि एक्सपोर्ट पैकिंग कैसे करना जानना में किसी को पता नहीं था. हाँ? तो अगेन कॉल अ फ्रेंड.
फोन अ फ्रेंड.
फोन अ फ्रेंड. उसको फोन किया कि भैया ऐसा ऐसा है. तो बोले मेरा पैकिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है, आई विल सेंड हिम. बोले वो कर देगा आप,
Okay.
डोंट वरी अबाउट. द पैकिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्टर केम बाय द फ्लाइट.
Okay.
आके सब देख के पूरा मेजरमेंट लेके एक्चुअली उसकी पूरी टीम आके मशीन को एक्सपोर्ट पैकिंग
Wow.
करके दे दी. एंड देन वी डिस्पैच आवर फर्स्ट मशीन.
Okay.
एक बात मैं सभी को कहना चाहूँगा,
जी.
यू आर एक्सपर्ट इन मशीन मेकिंग. टेक सर्विसेस ऑफ all the service providers.
Correct.
Don't try to do everything
Yep.
yourself.
True.
Packing, take the services. Freight forwarder, take the services.
Absolute.
Documentation करना, take the services. DGFT का काम करने का, take the services. Excellent service is available for everything.
True.
हाँ, हम बिना नॉलेज के खुद जब करने जाते हैं जस्ट टू सेव सम मनी,
Yes.
वी फेस द ट्रबल.
We end up losing more money.
मेरा फ्रेट फॉरवर्डर 22 साल से बदला नहीं है.
Wow.
सेम फ्रेट फॉरवर्ड एक्चुअली. हाँ, मेरे जितने भी सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, आई डोंट चेंज देम अनलेस देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, तो एक्सपोर्ट यदि करना है आपको, यू नीड टू हैव ए सेट ऑफ सर्विस प्रोवाइडर.
Right.
डोंट ट्राई टू डू
Everything.
एवरीथिंग. लोग काफी बोलते हैं कि एक्सपोर्ट रिस्की है. एक्सपोर्ट इज रिस्की if you don't have knowledge. If you have knowledge, export is
Safe.
safest. पिछले 30 साल के बिजनेस में मेरे जितने पैसे एक्सपोर्ट में डूबे हैं उससे ज्यादा इंडिया में डूबे हैं।
Oh,
हाँ?
Okay.
तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
Wow, that's so great. And you had something.
yeah, I
When-
had a very interesting question. We were researching about Vinod Rai and everything. So I came out with the article actually. I read it. It was so interesting. We have all seen the movie Nayak, where Anil Kapoor is made the CM of the state for
For one day, yes.
and he implements it very well. You implemented the same story in Java. So we would like to hear about that.
See, when I started engineering unit in Jalna, there were no girls in engineering industry.
Right.
And world over, wherever I had traveled, I have seen talented women working in the industry, on the machines, everywhere. Actually. So I had a big dream. Okay, my factory also, I should have 30-40% girls. So we started actually promoting girls to take the employment. We made the environment which is suitable for
Like,
ladies, girls. And then there was a Women's Day. So we decided how to celebrate the Women's Day. So an idea came to my mind. A trainee girl, we made him one day managing director.
Wow.
One day. This is Women's Day. Today, managing director will be.
Okay.
And she from morning she sat on this.
Okay.
She was highly discomfortable sitting on this.
Of course.
This
we
chair.
can imagine.
Huh? And then
Imagine.
we introduce all the department heads to her, the functioning of every department. We asked her to visit every department and see what is going on and take feedback from every department. And then we had a very good Women's
Wow.
Day celebration actually. That was mainly to drive a message that women can do a lot in engineering field. And today we are proud that you might have seen
Yeah.
I was about to say that.
girls working on
Absolutely.
CNC machines actually.
This is one of the best Women's Day gift
Absolutely.
the best celebration I have heard from it. Making a woman sit on the empty state.
And it's so endearing, sir, when we were at the factory premises, every machine, woman operator is operating that very high-tech machine. They're all CNCs, they need programming, they need maintenance. But it's so endearing to see that they were effortlessly doing that.
They were very comfortably doing that.
Absolutely.
They were smiling at us when we.
Absolutely.
So that gives an idea about the culture
Totally.
which is there in the company. We were very happy looking like that.
I mean,
I will share a very short.
please,
Yeah.
please.
There is a very big company, LG Balkrishna Limited.
Okay.
So they started a unit in Jalna,
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing automotive chains.
Right.
Employing at that time, this is about 5 years back. At that time, they had about 500, 600 workers working with them.
Okay.
Sometimes they faced labor issues, basically. Labor issue. So the management is sitting in Coimbatore.
Acha.
They have a GM here.
Mm.
So the management GM was a friend of mine.
Okay.
So he called me. Okay, my manager is facing some issues. I am asking him to contact you. Please help him out.
No.
I said, no problem. He came, he wanted some help. I organized all the help, whatever he wanted. Meeting with SP, meeting with collector, then everything. Then issue was resolved. Everything went well. Then after about a month's time, that GM Prabhakaran, he came to my office for just offering the thanks that you have done a good job for us. So we were waiting for the tea, and I asked him a question. Why are you not employing women in your factory? He was accompanied by manager and HR manager both. He told me, our people are saying that in Jalna, women don't work in shop floor. Well, who said that? Well, our people say that. In Tamil Nadu, there are so many women working. They say no. Well, come on. I took him inside. All my women employee girls, I asked him to interact with them. He interacted for 15 minutes. And then he came back. While going from this office, he told me, okay, Sunil, I will come to your office only when I have 100 women employee.
Oh.
Wow.
हाँ? तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि भाई ठीक है, हाँ? 120 एम्प्लॉई वुमन होने के बाद में he invited me to his factory
Okay.
for inauguration of canteen for women.
Wow. Amazing.
And today 265 qualified girls are working in.
That is so great.
That is potential of Marathwada actually.
Wow. Amazing.
That is potential of Marathwada. If we give opportunity and training, of
Yes.
plus training,
That's indeed something great for the region, sir, that you did. Yes.
I
And
think the line between girls' education and boys' education is dissolved now.
yeah.
I think there is nothing.
There is no question of capabilities. There is no question of education. There is,
No.
I mean, absolutely, there is no difference now. And I would also like to tell our viewers, which is pointing me towards the next question, that the woman empowerment is not only limited to the floor, but also towards corporate as well.
Yeah.
Because, sir, आपकी दोनों ही बेटियां, they are now into business, and they are since last few years they entered. They are doing something wonderful, some very new things. So we would love to know from you what are the new things in the basket that the next generation of Inodra is bringing in.
Actually, I have two girls, Kinnari and Divya. Kinnari is a elder. She is mechanical engineer,
Right.
and she pursued her corporate job as a design engineer in Schneider Electric.
Okay.
Then Schneider placed her for 1 year in France
Okay.
for training.
Mm-hmm.
And after coming back from France, there was a bond of 1 year. So after completing the bond, one day suddenly she called me that, Daddy, I want to resign.
Okay.
I said, okay. What do you want to do? I want to start my own bakery.
Wow.
I have seen many bakeries in France and Europe. I want to pursue that. Wow. I said, no problem.
Mm.
But I have only one condition.
Mm.
Whatever you want to do it, you pursue it. But don't do anything which is not a world class. जो काम करना है करो. It has to be, it should lead you to the world class
True.
product. Then only you do it. Otherwise, don't. Wow. So she is now running her bakery.
Great.
She had completed a diploma in that field also,
Okay.
and she is pursuing her
Fantastic.
own business.
Thanks.
Divya, the day she did production engineering, she did an internship here. She was always coming with me.
Right.
She was interested in joining the business day one, and she joined Vinodra actually. Started from shop floor only for almost about 1.5 years. She was in working with the shop floor, design, maintenance, everything, and then she took over the marketing of this. Today, she is doing complete marketing of this organization from sitting from Bangalore. She is managing this unit online. Wow. She takes regular production meetings, a review meeting with finance and everything. And आपके सामने बैठ के मैं आराम से बात कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए कर रहा हूँ.
वो भी देख रहे हैं.
वो मैनेज कर रही है.
क्या बात है.
वो मैनेज कर रही है.
That's fantastic.
Corona has really given confidence of managing something from
The house space.
distance.
Absolutely.
That really made a good difference.
Great.
We have during Corona period, we had supplied some machines in Africa, and no one was able to travel to Africa. So we requested customer, "Okay, we cannot send our team there. Why don't you commission online?" No? So we commissioned our first machine online.
Wow.
Our team was sitting here. Their team was सिंपल व्हाट्सएप वीडियो से मशीन
क्या बात.
Wow.
क्या बात.
There was no other tool used.
Wow.
WhatsApp video and guidance from here. Machine was up running. Product came out. उन्होंने वहां पे डांस किया, हमारे लोगों ने यहाँ पे डांस किया.
क्या बात है.
But then today, many of the machines we are giving option to the customer.
Online commissioning.
You can save the commissioning cost.
Absolutely.
Right.
We will give you online
Support.
support. And today maintenance support we give online.
Fantastic.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is indeed the gift of COVID.
Yeah, this is indeed.
COVID has opened so many doors that we didn't know also about.
Yeah. One thing which I missed actually
Please.
is that a lot many people ask me, okay, you are dealing with Arabic people, you are dealing
Right.
with Algerian people, you are dealing with Americans, you are dealing with Chinese, everybody. Don't you face a problem of language?
This is an important message. Yeah.
Huh? So I have really realized there is one common language, and that is the language of profit. If your product and you speak the language of profit, everybody will understand.
True.
Right.
Everybody will understand that. So, particularly entrepreneurs from our region, they have a fear कि एक्सपोर्ट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, रिस्की है,
जी.
इट इज नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी. आई डोंट हैव एक्सपोर्टेबल प्रोडक्ट एट ऑल. तो मुझे लगता है कि हमको है ना ये हमारे खुद के बांधे हुए एक बाउंड्री जो है लक्ष्मण रेखा
जी,
के,
खुद खड़ी की हुई.
लक्ष्मण रेखा के बाहर निकलना.
जी.
जो इंडिया का मैप हम देखते हैं,
जी. जी.
दिस इज पॉलिटिकल मैप.
Hmm.
दिस इज नो मोर इकोनॉमिकल मैप. फॉर यू वर्ल्ड इज इकोनॉमिकल.
Right. Right.
And if you have a product which is you are successful in India, yeah, there are more than 180 countries where you will be 100% successful. 100% successful.
That's true.
But वो आपके पास थोड़ी आएंगे.
कोई नहीं.
You need to go out.
And this gives rise to a very wonderful point, sir, because it is said, अगर आप पुणे में ड्राइव करते हो तो आप कहीं भी ड्राइव कर सकते हो. And it is the same thing if at all we can work in India, then we can work in around 180 countries that you mentioned. So normally export मतलब कहा जाता है, which is a glamorous export, Europe, US. But export की definition अगर सच में देखें तो there are various other countries where that problem is getting solved, and they are also the market.
Yeah.
So I think you raised a very wonderful point here.
See, I always say that we exported our first machine to Fiji,
Right.
a small country. Actually. After 15 years, we exported our first mold to America.
Right.
We have sold our machine to Zambia. So I always tell everybody that don't go A to Z. Go Z to A. Zambia to America.
Wow.
Because Zambia is very easy.
Correct.
America is difficult.
Yes.
So start with the Zambia,
Yes.
earn dollars, improve your technology, and then you can serve the American
Anywhere.
market also.
Absolutely.
True.
Absolutely. Very true.
And whether a dollar is coming from Zambia or dollar is coming from America,
It's dollar.
both are equally green.
Exactly.
Both are
Equally green.
equally green. And
Wow.
with a good margin.
Yes.
With a good
Profit margin.
margin. हम नॉर्मली हम कहते हैं कि भाई टीम मोटिवेशन is must. Motivated team is must for success of any business. If your team is a part of export chain ना, they are also proud. मेरा product जो है ना,
बस.
I am working in a company which is supplying it to 70 countries. So that gives challenge to every employee of your organization.
Absolutely.
So that motivation is totally different. Totally different. हमारा कोई भी बंदा जो है ना यूरोप जाएगा, फ्रांस जाएगा, वहाँ जाएगा ना, तो he is not just a representative of Vinod Rai Engineers. He is a proud कि I am from India. और वहाँ पर जो काम करता है ना, तो वो नेशनल स्पिरिट से काम करता है.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So export has lot many byproducts or benefits, collateral
जी.
benefits. आज आपने जितना भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखा है, यू वेर टेलिंग ए वेरी गुड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। सो हम खाली इंडिया में धंधा करेंगे ना, वी विल नेवर हैव ए चांस टू बिल्ड ए वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, राइट?
Right.
क्योंकि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर करने को यू गेट ए मार्जिन,
Right.
Why Chinese are having very fantastic infrastructure? Just because they are doing exports.
True. True.
So I think future of MSME lies only in export. Only in export.
Sir, we discussed the challenges that you faced in your first order of export in the overall business. I think one more aspect we would really love to know because it is very, very important and integral. That is family support. So, running a business is multiple things. I mean, there is a company, there are multiple units, and it cannot happen without able support of the family because if the back end is right, then you can perform at the front end. So, could you just shed some more light on your take as far as family support is concerned?
I'm always asked this question, particularly when I say that there were initial failures, actually. 3-4 failures I had gone through, and then finally I could success. So sometimes even my daughter tells me, how could you tolerate that period?
Right.
That was challenging time.
Right.
But when you are pursuing your dreams, man, every obstacle is a challenge for you. And you keep on enjoying it. You keep on enjoying it. And when your family sees that you are enjoying challenge, they support it.
True.
Right.
They support it. And absolutely family support is really required. Many entrepreneurs tell me, okay, we don't get support from family. So I always say, the family support has to be earned. If family will give you, it's not like that.
Yes.
When you pursue your challenges and you are enjoying and you are happy doing that, family will support.
True.
रोती सूरत से घर पे जाओगे तो फिर फैमिली कैसे सपोर्ट करेगी? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फैमिली ऑल्सो वांट्स यू टू सक्सीड, और आपको वो कॉन्फिडेंस आपके चेहरे पे 24 आवर्स रहना चाहिए कि यस, आई एम फेसिंग चैलेंज बट आई एम गोइंग टू सक्सीड. तो फैमिली विल सपोर्ट.
वंडरफुल.
मतलब आप खुश तो फैमिली,
बिल्कुल.
आप खुश तो फैमिली को.
फैमिली का एम ही आपको खुश रखना है.
Absolutely.
आप दुखी रहोगे तो एक्चुअली योर मदर विल बी दुखी. आप खुश है तो
वो भी खुश.
वो भी खुश है. ऐसा. And one thing which I also mentioned, that whenever you are in trouble, discuss with friends.
जी.
छुपाओ मत उसको, डिस्कस करो यार, ये प्रॉब्लम होगा फिर.
Absolutely.
प्रॉब्लम होगा. There is somebody waiting for giving you solution. Correct. Provided you
Discuss it.
discuss it.
That's great. So lastly, sir, we just wanted to thank you once again for giving your precious time and having us here to have this wonderful discussion. There were some really great insights that younger generations and our generation would definitely take through this podcast. Once again, thank you so much for being the part of Tejas podcast, where we take our viewers through the entrepreneurial journeys of Marathwada and Aurangabad region. Thanks a lot.